Today I'm going to show you how to add work experience to your LinkedIn profile. So within your profile, you're going to scroll down over here. You will see basically everything about your profile. You're coming here to experience. You're going to click on the plus icon, and here you're going to click on add position. Here is the job experience that you're adding in here. So this is the title that you're adding in here. So we're going to say video editor, video producer, videographer, whatever it is that you actually did, whatever your title was. We are going to add in an employment type. So if it was full-time, part-time, self-employed, so forth, whatever it is that you were doing, and then the company or organization over here. Okay, so let's just start typing. You will start seeing company names coming up. Make sure that you actually worked for that company. I'm just doing this for example purposes. And then you can choose whether you're still working in this role or not. And if you're not, make sure that it's unchecked. So you want to make sure that you're adding in a year, and then your start year, and then your end year. Okay, so let's just say like that's how long you were there. And then you want to add in a location. So whatever your location was, I'm just going to use the country. You can narrow it down. You can also add in here the location type. So let's say that it was on-site kind of work. You're going to also add in a description over here. So you can list your duties, your successes. You can highlight specific projects that you did. Make sure that you can highlight basically why you would be a good fit for a future role. You want to also add in where you found this job. So if you did find it on LinkedIn, on their company website, whatever it is, go ahead, choose this option. And then you can also have a little badge that says LinkedIn helped me get this job. And then you can add in the relevant skills that were required or that were used to complete this job or to have this job. And then you can add in media as well. Maybe it's a video that you produced or whatever it is, add some media in there. It's always good to add media if you can. Go ahead, click on save over here. You've now added a job experience to your LinkedIn profile.